I've not got the knife and fork. Oh, I've not got my mayo. Ah! Hey guys, welcome back. God, I can't speak. Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I have a Sunday roast video. So this is I'd like to say kind of traditional, well, I think it is. It's a traditional Sunday roast that we have in England. What we have today to drink is this Fanta Dark Orange. Now this is a limited edition Halloween drink. So I'm going to do the honours and get right into it. Do you have this where you are? So I was really excited about this. So let's pour some. Let's get right into it a bit more. Wow, it's basically black. How cool. So let's try it, guys. Let's show you a better look. So it's basically black. It's literally a black drink. Alexa's just come on. That's so weird. That's interesting, guys. It's sparkling orange. Sparkling orange fruit drink with sugar and sweetness. Dark orange. It tastes very flat. Really weird. Well, it kind of tastes like, you know, like blood orange. So guys, I'm going to get into it. This is my Sunday roast. I'm just going to pour the gravy because look at that. Don't have too much. So this gravy is kind of the remainders of the beef. So it's all the kind of goodness. So let's get into it, guys. So what we have here, I'm so hungry. We have, this is homemade by Chris, my boyfriend. So thank you. This is cauliflower cheese, homemade, roast potatoes, roast beef, onion pudding, which is like an English tradition here. So it's kind of old fashioned. We have it quite a lot in England. And then we have these kind of vegetables. So it's potatoes, carrots, which kind of filled the beef. So flavorful. And also we have my mayo. Woo-hoo! Because I cannot get enough of this mayo. So I'm going to put it. It's kind of weird though. It's very jellified. I don't know why. It's a different brand, this one. This is Hellman's. So fluffy. Let's give you a bite of the onion pudding. Oh, wow. Now, I like my gravy a bit thicker. Oh, wow. My favourite food is Yorkshire pudding, is roast potatoes. These are done to perfection. So let's try the beef. So this is the beef, guys. Let's get you a nice. This is the beef. Can you see? It's cooked to absolute perfection. Chris always puts cider. He just makes it extra amazing. So let me grub on for a bit and then I'll fill you in later. Let me kind of grub on because I'm so hungry. I need to tell you all about my night out. Oh, wow, the onion pudding is so cool, so amazing. So what it is, onion pudding is beef suet. I think it's called suet. Suet? Suet, I don't know. It's really cool. Have you had the, have you ever tried the black water that you can drink? It's a lot like that. It's like charcoal water. So, yeah, beef suet. I think it's called suet. I'll put it on the screen. And onions, flour, I think. I'll put a brief kind of synopsis of what onion pudding is on the screen as well, guys. This is incredible. And I did tell you guys that I was going to carry on the British theme kind of series. So here is another British kind of favourite. Sunday dinner here is just a staple. In England anyway, you know, it's very common. A lot of people have it. So this is cauliflower pudding. Oh, it's not. Cauliflower cheese. And I think you've got this in America. I love cauliflower cheese. So guys, I am feeling a bit under the weather, as you can maybe tell. I've just got back from, are these potatoes? What are these? I think they are, just like cut up really, really finely. I've just got back from going away with my best friend. I've just got back from going away with my friend just for a weekend away. Safe to say we had too much to drink. I'm definitely feeling it today, guys. I really like this. So yeah, it was crazy. Whenever we go out, would you just go absolutely insane? Would you? And it was so cold as well. My friend had a cold. I think she might have given it to me. It's been really, really... Have that potato, guys. Go on. I mean, this is the day after, so I am going to get better, but I just feel so run down. Like, headache. So apologies if I'm not like tip-top percentage. Chris said this was quite salty. I don't think it is at all. I think it's gorgeous. As you can see, guys, I am hoovering this up because I'm so hungry. So I saw Chris last night when I came back. It's so cool, isn't it? Look how dark it is. It's almost like purple. Amazing. I wonder what's in it to make it so dark. Colour. Yeah, that's probably it. There's a colour. Yeah, I thought it says blood orange. It does taste like blood orange, guys. It does, it does. Now I'm getting full, guys, so I'm going to just a bit more beef. Now, I'm sorry if, you know, I'm eating with my hands, but I don't really want to sit here with a knife and fork. It's not very mukbangy, is it? Mukbangy is like getting your hands kind of dirty. Oh, fuck. Yummy, yummy, yum. I'm so full. You can see how full this plate was. Gonna have one more potato. Am I? No, I can't. I'm too full. I am fit to burst, guys. Honestly. Look at that beef. So good. So, guys, I have a little dessert for you. It's not crazy. Just something kind of to settle my throat because I just have such a sore throat. I think I didn't go out with the coat. It was so cold. It was raining for like 2 days the day we went. So, and I came back. I think, oh yeah, because we came home into our little hotel like apartment, and I was so ill. Like, it was raining. I got so drenched, so I think that's why I'm feeling so ill today. But anyway, let's get the dessert out, guys. So 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! So we have dessert, guys. So this is, it's nothing crazy, but I saw these in, I think it was, where was it? Tesco's, our local store. And I think you have these in America a lot. And I've never seen them before. So I thought, you know what? Let's have a watermelon ice pop. Woohoo! So this is what it looks like. It's so cute. It really is. Now, if you'd have seen my community, oh God! If you'd have seen my Now, if you'd have seen my community tab, you would have seen that I had one of these in the picture. So let's try one. Oh, guys, these are just what I need. My throat is in bits. So as you can see, it's like a creamy fromage frais kind of taste. I don't know how to describe it. Like, this is a little chocolate. I got it on my nose. So cool. What's in them? Watermelon and apple water, ice. Watermelon and apple water, ice with chocolate flavour pieces. So that's the watermelon. And that's the apple water. Duh. So amazing, guys. So cooling. So have you had these where you're from? I really want to know. I just think they're so cool. So soft. I'm telling you guys, they're just what I need right now. I didn't want to not do a mukbang for you guys because, you know, I think these past few weeks I haven't really been grinding as much as I should, really. I don't know why. I've got a bit of a... This product may stain. Huh? Now, in Australia, a lolly is a sweet to you, isn't it? It's a candy, which is really weird. Anyway, so, yeah, I've just been... If I'm honest, I really needed to take a break, but I wasn't... I was kind of burnt out, and then I had the break. Now I'm back, and I'm not well. I'm such an idiot. But, these are just the best, guys. Yum. Tastes like fromage frais. I can't describe the taste. Like yogurt. Now these are from Rowntree's, and it's an English kind of sweet company. I'm gonna have to go because the backdrop keeps falling. So I think that's my cue to say goodbye. So thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you think. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.